Electric vehicles, EVs, have transformed from a niche market to a global trend. As concerns over climate change and environmental degradation increase, EVs are rapidly becoming the future of transportation, with advancements in battery technology, improved efficiency, and zero-emission benefits. Electric cars are not only reshaping the way we drive, but they are also redefining the relationship between automobiles and the environment. In this video, we'll explore the future of electric cars, their impact on sustainability, and the technological innovations driving this revolution. Electric cars are powered by electric motors and use batteries as their energy source, rather than relying on internal combustion engines, ICE. The key benefits of EVs include zero emissions. Unlike traditional vehicles that release harmful CO2 and other pollutants, electric cars produce zero tailpipe emissions, which makes them an important solution for reducing air pollution and fighting climate change. Energy efficiency. Electric motors convert up to 90% of the energy stored in their batteries into movement compared to just 20–30% efficiency in internal combustion engines. This makes EVs far more efficient and cost-effective in the long run. Silent operation. Electric cars are quieter than gasoline-powered vehicles, contributing to reduced noise pollution in urban areas. Lower operating costs. EVs have fewer moving parts and don't require oil changes. They also save money on fuel, as electricity is typically cheaper than gasoline, and many governments offer tax incentives to encourage EV adoption. Electric cars are the future of sustainable transportation, offering significant advantages in terms of efficiency, cost, and environmental impact. At the heart of every electric car is its electric powertrain. Which includes an electric motor, battery pack, and controller. The motor powers the wheels and is responsible for converting electrical energy into mechanical energy. EV motors are incredibly efficient and can provide immediate torque for quick acceleration. Battery pack. Electric vehicles are powered by lithium-ion batteries, which store the electricity needed to run the motor. Battery packs are typically located in the floor of the vehicle, lowering the center of gravity for better handling and stability. Controller. The controller is responsible for managing the flow of electricity from the battery to the motor. It adjusts the power output to ensure smooth and efficient driving, adapting to factors like acceleration, speed, and driving conditions. Charging system. To keep the battery powered, EVs must be charged. Charging can be done at home using a level 1 or level 2 charger, or at public stations using DC fast chargers, which can charge the battery to 80% in as little as 30 minutes. The efficiency of electric cars comes from their electric motor, lithium-ion batteries, and advanced controller systems that work together to provide a seamless and eco-friendly driving experience. Let's look at the environmental impact of electric cars. Electric vehicles are central to achieving a sustainable future. Here are the key environmental benefits of EVs. Since EVs don't use fossil fuels, they don't release CO2, nitrogen oxides, or particulate matter into the atmosphere. Even when EVs are charged using electricity from fossil fuel power plants, they still produce fewer greenhouse gas emissions compared to conventional cars. The carbon footprint of EVs continues to decrease as the electric grid becomes greener and more reliant on renewable sources like wind and solar energy. Many EV manufacturers are focusing on using recycled materials and sustainable manufacturing practices to reduce the overall environmental impact of production. Advancements in battery recycling are making it possible to reuse and repurpose materials from spent batteries. Electric vehicles are inherently more efficient than traditional cars. They convert a higher percentage of energy from the battery into motion, consuming less energy per mile driven. By producing zero emissions, improving energy efficiency, and utilizing sustainable manufacturing practices, electric vehicles are playing a crucial role in reducing global pollution and fighting climate change. Several groundbreaking technologies are propelling the electric vehicle industry forward. Here are some of the key innovations. The lithium-ion batteries used in electric vehicles have come a long way in terms of efficiency, longevity, and cost. Solid-state batteries, a next-generation battery technology, promise even higher energy densities, faster charging times, and improved safety. The growth of charging networks is one of the most important factors in making EVs more practical. High-speed charging stations, like DC fast chargers, are reducing charging times and improving the overall convenience of owning an electric vehicle. This system captures the energy typically lost during braking and returns it to the battery. Regenerative braking increases the range of electric cars and enhances their overall energy efficiency. Many EV manufacturers, such as Tesla, are integrating autonomous driving technologies into their vehicles. Self-driving cars could revolutionize transportation by reducing accidents, improving traffic flow, and increasing accessibility. With innovations in battery technology, charging infrastructure, and autonomous driving, electric cars are set to lead the charge in the future of transportation. Several automakers have already entered the electric vehicle market with exciting models. Here are some of the most popular EVs. The Tesla Model 3 has become one of the most popular electric cars worldwide. It offers a range of up to 358 miles and is equipped with autopilot for semi-autonomous driving. Tesla's supercharger network allows for fast charging, making it a convenient choice for long trips. The Nissan Leaf is one of the most affordable electric cars available. It offers a range of 150 to 226 miles and is perfect for city driving. It also features advanced safety systems and a comfortable interior. The Chevrolet Bolt offers a range of up to 259 miles, making it one of the best value electric cars on the market. It has a compact design and offers plenty of space for passengers and cargo. The Ford Mustang Mach-E is an all-electric SUV that combines performance and utility. It offers a range of up to 300 miles and is available in multiple performance variants, including the GT version, which offers 459 horsepower. From the performance-focused Tesla Model 3 to the practical and affordable Nissan Leaf, the EV market is expanding with options for every driver. The future of electric cars is exciting and full of potential. Here's what's next for the EV industry. Longer range. The range of electric cars will continue to improve, with some models already offering over 500 miles per charge. As battery technology evolves, we can expect even longer ranges, making electric cars more convenient for long trips. Faster charging. Ultra-fast charging technology is being developed, which will significantly reduce charging times. With these advancements, drivers will be able to charge their vehicles in minutes rather than hours, making EVs even more convenient. Autonomous vehicles. Many electric cars will incorporate autonomous driving capabilities in the near future. Fully autonomous electric vehicles could make driving safer, reduce traffic congestion, and offer greater mobility for people with disabilities. Affordable EVs. As battery prices continue to fall, electric vehicles will become more affordable for a larger segment of the population. Governments and manufacturers are also offering incentives to make EVs more accessible. Global adoption. The adoption of electric vehicles is expected to grow rapidly worldwide as governments implement policies and incentives to encourage EV adoption. Cities are also investing in expanding charging infrastructure, making it easier to drive electric vehicles. The future of electric cars promises longer range, faster charging, and the development of autonomous vehicles, creating a cleaner and more efficient transportation system. Electric vehicles are at the forefront of the global shift towards sustainable transportation, with continuous improvements in battery technology, charging infrastructure,